Hi, I'm Jack Reyes, and this is Raptor Case by Case, where we take a closer look at the best from Raptor. Today we'll be taking a look at Raptor's lightweight, high-performance Air Series hard cases. First thing we need to talk about is durability. So similar to our Extreme Series cases, these are durable cases because they are made out of polypropylene. Main difference is the shell of our Air Series cases are a lot thinner compared to the Extreme Series cases. That is also why the main identifier is this H pattern right here. This is not just an identifier or for looks, this is mainly for rigidity. Given that you have a thinner shell, you need something to support that thinner shell. Now, next up, we got IP67 waterproof rating. So that is brought to you by these gaskets over here. So these gaskets ensure that you are completely waterproof, that no dust, water, or air gets inside your case. Next up, versatility. So our Air Series cases come in hand carry and trolleys as well, similar to our Extreme Series, but it also comes with your pick and pluck foam. So if you pop this open, we got a bigger case right here. This is the 6000 Air. This is a trolley. It has 2 layers of pick and pluck foam, as you can see. So perfect for all your equipment. We've seen multiple use cases for this when people utilize it for pistols, their camera gears. Quite honestly, sky's the limit. That is up to you. But for the 6000 Air, we also have a configuration where you can put a divider instead. So that allows you to have quick access to all the items inside. It comes with Velcro pads as well, so you can move the configuration around depending on your loadout. So, how is it secure? Of course, with these latches right here. These are completely durable, easy to lug around and take to your next adventure. But if you want to secure it completely, you can opt for the Raptor Secure Lock as well, right here. So this goes into this hole right here. Just pop it open and slide it in, and you are now completely secure. Yeah, our hard cases are durable and versatile, but don't forget, no matter where you take your cases, you have lifetime service warranty. So if anything breaks, any of these parts, whether it's your latches, your handle, maybe your wheels, or if you need replacement foams, we got you covered. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or visit raptor.ph. And remember, Raptor isn't just for protecting your gear, it's for protecting your passion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Links are down below, so check them out. See you guys next time.